In the glow of our cities, a quiet truth hides in plain sight. Modern lighting isn't just bright, it reshapes our biology. Contrary to belief, it's not only late nights that disrupt sleep. Blue light from screens and LEDs can shift our clock. Researchers reveal that many claims about perfect sleep masks are oversimplified, and the real culprit often lies in inconsistent darkness, not mere darkness itself. By measuring real light exposure and choosing warmer, dimmer environments after sunset, viewers can improve sleep without drastic changes. This invites curiosity, urging viewers to challenge myths about lighting and sleep with science.